I, Juhi Pandey,
Yes,
welcome
ma'am.
you all in today's orientation for National Service Scheme NSS Shivaji College. We at Shivaji College, a premier institution of University of Delhi, accredited with a grade A by NAC, believe in selfless community service and making a significant contribution to the society. In NSS, students and faculty work together to lending helping hand to the community. The motto of NSS, not me, but you, reflects the essence of democratic living and upholds the need of selfless service. NSS Shivaji College has contributed numerous initiatives through sessions both physically and virtually, including community outreach programs as well as the promotion of education for the unprivileged section of the society. Just a little housekeeping before we get started. Participants are required to keep their audios and videos off throughout the event so as to avoid streaming errors. If you have any questions, you can post them in the chat box that will be taken at the end of this session. We request your cooperation in conducting this virtual event smoothly. The NSS team of Shivaji College welcome our speaker, Mr. Harvinder Singh, with a virtual bouquet as a token of gratitude. Let us all seek the blessings of Goddess Saraswati before starting our event.
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। तू स्वर की देवी है, संगीत तुझसे हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे। तू स्वर की देवी है, संगीत तुझसे हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।
NSS, which is National Service Scheme, is an Indian government-sponsored program under the Department of Youth Affairs and Sports of Government of India. It was launched in Gandhi's centennial year 1969, aimed at developing students' personality through community service. NSS as a society came into existence in Shivaji College in 1977. The society has tremendously contributed back to the society in these past 40 years, which distinguishes the society from all other society, as this is now a legacy of all those who came before us for the sole purpose of selflessly lending a helping hand with absolutely no prejudice, judgment, and biases. We have a video to show you more about NSS Shivaji College. I would now like to invite Dr. Ruchira Dhingra, convener NSS Shivaji College, to address the audience.
आज के नवागंतुक समारोह में आप सभी नए वर्ष में प्रथम वर्ष में दाखिला लेने वाले सभी छात्रों का एनएसएस की समस्त टीम की ओर से स्वागत, अभिनंदन। इसके साथ ही आज के जो गेस्ट स्पीकर हैं उनका भी मैं पूरी टीम के साथ अभिनंदन करती हूँ, स्वागत करती हूँ। एनएसएस शिवाजी कॉलेज 1977 में हमारे कॉलेज में शुरू हुआ, किंतु इसने अपने पंख धीरे धीरे फैलाए, उड़ान भरी और 1979 से ये निरंतर प्रगति की ओर उन्मुख है। आज हम जितना काम अपनी एनएसएस टीम के माध्यम से कर रहे हैं वो निश्चित रूप से सराहनीय है। ये मैं इसलिए नहीं कह रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं इस टीम के साथ जुड़ी हुई हूँ पिछले बहुत सालों से, बल्कि इसलिए कह रही हूँ कि आपके जो वरिष्ठ साथी हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, आप जब भी उनसे बात करेंगे तो उनमें सिर्फ एक ही जज्बा आपको दिखाई देगा कि मैं नहीं, हम। और जब मैं के साथ हम जुड़ जाता है तो हम कुछ भी करने में समर्थ हो जाते हैं। बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि आप जब रोटी खा रहे हैं तो आपने एक टुकड़ा खाया और किसी गरीब को, किसी भूखे को उसमें से एक टुकड़ा दिया। सच मानिए, ये जो देने की अनुभूति है कि ईश्वर ने हमें इस लायक बनाया कि हम कुछ दे सकते हैं, ये बहुत मन को प्रसन्नता से भर देती है। एनएसएस शिवाजी टीम के सभी टीचरों का मानना है कि ईश्वर ने हमें दो हाथ इसीलिए दिए हैं कि एक हाथ से हम कमाएं और दूसरे हाथ से दान करें। आपको सबको मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूंगी कि अगर आपने एनएसएस टीम को ज्वाइन करने का एक निश्चय किया है, संकल्प किया है, तो आप निश्चित रूप से ये बात समझ सकते हैं। ज्यादा समय ना लेते हुए मैं अपने वक्ता जो आज के हमारे गणमान्य अतिथि हैं उनका आग्रह करूंगी उनसे कि वो आए, हमारे बच्चों को संबोधित करें, और उससे पहले जो ही आप उनका परिचय हम सबको दें जिससे हम उनको और करीब से जानकर लाभान्वित हो सकें। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your simple yet enlightening words. Now, I'm pleased to introduce our speaker of the day, Mr. Harvinder Singh. Sir is a country manager of United Airlines India. As a country manager, Harvinder Singh leads the business of United Airlines India with a strong team of sales, marketing, reservation, and customer solution professionals. He is a performance-driven senior executive with a significant experience in managing SBU at country level, with comprehensive achievements in strategic building and execution, building effective teams, creating a distribution network, managing CRM platform, dealership management. He also conducts workshops for education institutions, corporate houses, NGOs as his contribution to the society. Thank you, sir, for sharing your precious time. We are delighted to have you with us. Now, without any further ado, I would like to welcome Mr. Harvinder Singh. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Juhi. Thank you so much for the wonderful introduction. And thanks to all of you, all the committee members of NSS, Dr. Dhingra, for giving me this opportunity to speak to all the students today who have actually joined here for the orientation program. I hope you can hear me well. I'm audible, clear?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, wonderful. So thank you so much again. This is a great opportunity for me to interact with all of you. And it's wonderful to see the kind of initiatives the NSS is taking in the field of community service. And this is something really great. And all the participants, all the students who have joined this institution are also now participating in NSS. I think it's a great initiative, and not just because it looks good to be a part of the community service. I think overall it'll be a great value add to you personally and also professionally, which I'll talk about a little bit more during my talk. But I think it's something that will definitely add value to your career as well. Being associated with the corporate world for last 20 years or so, I know the importance of these initiatives and community service, how it really adds value to the society, and at the same time, personally to all of you in your life. And it's very fulfilling anyway. इस करके भी जो आपको एक sense of satisfaction मिलता है, I think it's unmatchable. So first of all, my congratulations to all the students who are a part of the orientation, the first year students. Joining this wonderful institution, Shivaji College. When I'm talking to you, I'm kind of it's a little bit nostalgic. I'm thinking about my own time when I was in college. I started my college life, and it's great fun and freedom. Coming from the school life where you're studying and you're competitive, and the competitiveness it doesn't stop. You तो आप जितना आगे जाओगे, competitiveness उतनी बढ़ती जाएगी. And things get slightly tougher, but at the same time, do not forget to have a lot of fun and enjoy your freedom while you're a part of this institution and pursuing your studies further. At the same time, it is important for all of us to know, because as I said, जो भी मैं बात करूँगा आज, it's number one based on my personal experience. I've been through college, I've been through my studies. I've done BCom and I've done MBA. And then also at the same time, I am in touch with a lot of professionals, my peers in the industry. So there are a few things I want to talk about, which I think probably could add value to your life in the future as you move forward towards a career. While this is very fulfilling, this is very fun, this is very, kind of it gives a notion of freedom that you're entering a college life. I think it really sets the tone for your career. And what I really mean is, whilst you're doing your study, no matter what kind of stream that you have taken, no matter what kind of subject or subjects you're studying or what you're aspiring to do, it is very important that during this course, you try to get some clarity of objective in terms of which direction you want to take. And things were different when I was at your stage many, many years ago. At that time, I think there's a lot of limitation in terms of what you could do. And one could have, one could really count on their fingers in terms of what are the opportunities ahead of us. मैं किस फील्ड में जा सकता हूँ, किस फील्ड में जा सकती हूँ. It was very, very limited. Today, I think the society is open, the opportunities are immense, and I think at the same time, it also creates a little bit of a confusion. I have a son who's almost now 17, and वो मेरे को यही बोलता है कि Dad, there's so much of confusion now. There's so many things to do within one stream. There's so many open opportunities, and you have to really think कि मैं आगे क्या करूँ. I mean, what is really where can I contribute with my skill set, and what is really my skill set all about? So I think this time is important for you to be utilizing this time to get some clarity on your objective in terms of what you want to do, and then start also honing and working on your skill sets. And I can tell you one thing, with the skills, when you move on to the corporate world, I'm sure some of you will probably get into your own business. Some of you will be entrepreneurs, but many of you will probably get into the corporate life, looking for job opportunities. And being a part of a multinational United Airlines, I have the opportunity of recruiting many people or working with many people. And I can tell you one thing, apart from the skill set that you have in terms of what you have obtained as a part of your studies, it is also the attitude that counts. So ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ आपको एक चीज़ की एक knowledge है, आपको एक skill है. that will entitle you automatically for a job position. If you go for any interviews in the future, it will be very important for you to look at the kind of attitude, whether you want, how can you contribute towards the overall objective of the company, what kind of value do you can add through your work, not just your skill set. Are you you have to give those indications. Are you a team player or not? Do you have some leadership qualities? Have you taken some leadership initiatives in the past that can really help in that that organization wherever you join, in whatever stream? It doesn't matter. We all start small and then we start growing in our career. So ये जो चीजें हैं, skills के साथ जो attitude है, it is very very important, and this is something which employer will definitely look into when you are looking at getting into the work stream. मुझे पता है आप सोच रहे हो कि शायद अभी बहुत टाइम है, अभी तो ग्रेजुएशन करनी है, उसके बाद पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करनी है, बट आई कैन टेल यू वन थिंग, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टाइम फॉर यू. ये 3 साल आगे, 2 या 3 साल जब भी आप पढ़ेंगे, इस दौरान जो अपने आप को बनाएंगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी, दैट देन बिकम्स अ पार्ट ऑफ योर DNA, and that will reflect your personality when you go forward in the work stream. Another important thing I really wanted to talk about is be very mindful of your personal well-being. And when I say personal well-being, it is important for you to create a success story within the field that you're doing. So create some nice success stories, and these things will definitely help you in the future. So let's say abhi aap, let's say if you joined NSS now as a part of this organization, try to create some goals for yourself कि मुझे इतना करना है, मुझे ये चीजें अचीव करनी है. And I'm not saying, मैं कोई बहुत लंबी चौड़ी बातें नहीं कर रहा कि बहुत बड़े बड़े आपको गोल्स बनाने हैं. Try to set some small goals for yourselves, and then when you do that, and then when you work towards achieving those goals, those become your stories. And these stories, when you talk about your experiences in the past, relating back to what I said earlier, when you talk about how you can contribute to an organization, आपका skill set, आपका attitude, आपकी success stories, वो organization में कैसे value add करेंगी, that really matters a lot. So, all these things, and not just, I'm not kind of preparing you to get into a job. All I'm saying is that अगर आप आगे future में कुछ भी करते हो, this will really help. And this is a very, as I keep repeating it, this is a very, very crucial time in your life that should be utilized well apart from your studies that you keep doing. And then again, contributing to society is not just through NSS. We as in the corporate world, we have something called, you must have heard, CSR. So, corporate social responsibility, and every single corporate house, कोई भी company है, वो अपनी तरफ से corporate social responsibility में contributing to society whatever you can. And we, if you really are interested in that, we have to actually contribute a certain percentage of our profitability towards the corporate social responsibility कि हम society के लिए क्या add कर रहे हैं, what kind of value we are adding to society. And it could be people, it could be climate, it could be anything really. So it's all about adding value, and I think this is what NSS is all about, and make the best use of it. And wherever you get an opportunity to lead, do not leave that. Please lead. And it's not one team that you have to lead. It's not one project that you have to lead. Try to find small things, and we're all leaders in our small way. हम कुछ ना कुछ, innovation, leading, all these things really begin in a small way. तो अगर आपको कुछ आइडिया भी आता है कि मेरे को ये करना चाहिए, या सोसाइटी में यहाँ पे गैप है, या इस चीज़ में हमें कुछ ऐसा नया करना चाहिए, try to formalize that idea within your mind. Don't let it die. क्योंकि ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें आगे जाके काफ़ी बड़ी हो जाती हैं, which I've really seen in my own life. When I was doing my projects, when I was studying my MBA back in Australia, I did so many small projects, and then I thought maybe ठीक है studies के लिए भी कर लिया, बाद में काम आएगा नहीं आएगा. But actually, when I got back into the work environment, those things really helped me a lot. Whether it was meeting people, whether it was creating, I did some project with the 5-star hotels in Melbourne to conduct the feasibility study. और उसमें society पे क्या impact आ रहा है उसका, all those things I did, and that really helped me many years later. While I was actually looking for work or looking for a job, and actually when I was in job. So आप ये चीज़ों को कंट्रीब्यूट करना है, इन चीज़ों को करना, और जहाँ भी आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट लीड करने का मौका मिले या कोई प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करने का मौका मिले, डोंट थिंक इट इज़ टू स्मॉल फॉर मी. Don't think that I may or may not be capable of doing that. How will I look for the resources? Everything will start happening the moment you take the first step. So do not hesitate to take that first step, and do not hesitate to take that lead to do something meaningful, whether it's for your organization or it's for yourself or it's for the society. Another important part I really want to talk about is, which many people or many let's say people at your age or even at my age, in fact, neglect it. जो हमारा digital footprint है, let's say our Facebook or LinkedIn, probably you're not on, many of you are not on LinkedIn, but let's say Facebook or your Instagram or whatever you follow or whatever you use for your social media, wherever you create a digital footprint, just remember one thing in mind, be very alert of one thing in mind, that this digital footprint will never wash away. So आज की डेट में अगर मुझे किसी के बारे में जानना है तो I look at that person's digital footprint. So I look at Facebook account, I look at LinkedIn account, I look at Insta account, and whatever you post there, whether it's pictures, whether it's your views, anything that you do, you are free to do that because it's your own personal account, which is fine. But also remember the fact that people judge you by that. So हमारी जो face to face interaction है वो बहुत कम हो जाती है, वो बहुत देर बाद आती है, because that's how the culture is nowadays. हम लोग एक दूसरे को social media के through ज़्यादा जानते हैं, and that's where people start to form opinions. So be very careful, even if you're doing it for fun, be very careful what you post on your digital platforms, because I've seen people really struggling. मैंने कई लोगों को भी मैं जानता हूँ, recently मैं मिला हूँ जो people were freely putting whatever it is, and whether it's political or whatever it is. Again, it's a democracy, you're entitled to do whatever you want. But jab wo, when you sum it up, it kind of gives it, it gives an opinion about you as a person. So wo cheez ka aap abhi se, you should be very, very careful and look at something, when post something, just kind of think twice कि इसका मेरे पे आज और कल क्या impact हो सकता है. So that is your biodata. So आज की डेट में हमें CV क्रिएट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती कि 1 पेज CV हमने क्रिएट कर लिया कि मैंने ये किया और मैंने वो किया. आज की डेट में डिजिटल फुटप्रिंट से हम पहचाने जाते हैं, and that's what even in the corporate world people see. So वो आज हम स्कूल से कॉलेज से ही क्रिएट करते हैं. So आज आपसे ये बात करनी बड़ी जरूरी है क्योंकि मैंने बड़े लोगों को आजकल स्ट्रगल करते हुए देखा है, to be able to, they're not able to justify what they've done, and then it becomes a huge issue for them. So it is an important thing. But I'm sure you're all very smart people, you know what to do. I just wanted to kind of point out a few things, which are very, very important. Another thing I just want to mention to you here is that there is distraction. Try to manage your distractions. आजकल हमारे corporate world में आजकल तो हमें trainings करनी पड़ती हैं कि how to manage distraction. So and you will be really surprised that the major cause of inefficiency in any field, not just corporate world, but anywhere, whether it's the studies, corporate world, jobs, the major cause of inefficiency is not lack of skills. It is actually distractions. And distractions is like trying to handle multiple tasks, which brings down your efficiency and effectiveness. Or whether it's your mobile phone and all these things. So the distractions हैं आजकल हमारे world में, corporate world में, education world में are causing so much of an issue that people are not able to manage them. Or बाद में when the results are not so good, when they, it's not, when things are not, when they don't feel efficient, when their efforts are not yielding the kind of inputs that the output that they want, वो results नहीं आते, they don't realize कि जो distraction है, that is causing a lot of issues, because that affects your mind, that affects your heart, that affects your emotion. So उन distractions के लिए all I'm trying to say is always be very, very vigilant. Try to identify the distractions in your life. अगर आप एक काम कर रहे हो, you're trying to do something with very great focus कि मुझे ये कुछ achieve करना है, मुझे पढ़ना है, मेरे exams हैं, whether you're doing a project or social service or whatever it is, to bring that quality that you really want in that, make sure that there are no distractions at that time, at least. So चाहे वो बार-बार मोबाइल फोन है, चाहे वो मैसेजिंग है, चाहे वो सोशल मीडिया है, चाहे वो दोस्त हैं, जो भी है, but always make sure that you are very, very careful, very, very vigilant about those distractions, क्योंकि उससे आपका आउटपुट कम हो जाएगा, उससे आपकी एफिशिएंसी जो है, अगर आप में कोई स्किल्स भी हैं, आप में कोई टैलेंट है, उसके ऊपर वो इम्पैक्ट करेगा और वो बाद में आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी पे फर्क डालेगा. एक चीज मैं आपको और I wanted to talk about, and people talk about failures in life. And I actually don't like to say failure. I just say it's one of the downsides. So if you see any chart of either growth, or if it's going in downward direction, it's never a straight line. Okay, so it's whether it's linear moving towards growth, it is there are always downsides, and हम लोगों ने सबने फेस किया है अपने करियर में, अपनी लाइफ में, कोई ना कोई डाउनसाइड है ही है. So try to treat every failure as a downside. Nothing is permanent. And this is again, I'm talking about my personal experiences. There have been experiences in my life where I really thought कि दिस इज द एंड ऑफ लाइफ, अब इसके बाद मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, ये तो मैंने बहुत बड़ी गड़बड़ कर ली, यार मेरे साथ बहुत बुरा हो गया, इसके बाद कुछ नहीं होगा. बट नो, life moves on, life carries on, and then try to learn from that. It is, I know it sounds very bookish, but it is truth, because experience is the biggest teacher. So try to learn from those things, don't lose heart. और आजकल के टाइम पे तो you've seen the corona times, and you know the downside can be business. What we have really seen, I work on an airline, and imagine, you know, COVID के time पे last 1 year, our industry probably was the first one to get impacted very badly, and you know all the flights stopped. There was no business, almost zero business for so many months, and many people lost jobs. So you know it really felt like for a moment that things have really gone back. And actually, if you look at from the economic perspective, things have really gone back many years. It will take a lot of time to get back to normal position, but hey, it's a part of life. ये तो होता रहेगा, कभी बिजनेस होगा, कभी पर्सनल होगा, कभी नेचुरल होगा, कुछ भी होगा, लेकिन डाउनसाइड्स आएंगे. द ओनली थिंग यू शुड कीप डूइंग अगेन फॉर योर पर्सनल थिंग इज कि आपकी अपनी प्रोग्रेस कैसे हो रही है. हाउ आर यू इवॉल्विंग एज अ पर्सन, हाउ आर यू इवॉल्विंग एज अ स्टूडेंट, हाउ आर यू इवॉल्विंग एज अ प्रोफेशनल. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इफ यू आर एबल टू मेजर योर ओन प्रोग्रेस, कि आज मैं ये था, कल मैंने ये किया, आज मैंने कुछ, मेरे को ये नहीं आता, कल मैंने कुछ नया सीखा, आई एम अ बेटर पर्सन टुडे. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि वो चीज़ एक तो आपको कॉन्फिडेंस देगी. And I still learn today. I do a lot of learning. I know my background is basically commerce and then hospitality and tourism. But there are a few things I always wanted to learn and do, which I'm doing today. Whenever I get some time, I learn. I join some online courses. I read books or whatever it is. So it's an ongoing learning process. And I feel better today if I am better than yesterday myself. So अपनी progress को आप measure करो and try to document it. कि मैंने ये किया, not to get a certificate or something, just for your own confidence, and that will really help you. One more thing, it is very, very relevant in today's time. Abhi maybe too young for this, but maybe I won't get an opportunity to talk to you later on, or maybe I do, who knows. Whenever there's an opportunity, try to invest, try to save. क्योंकि अभी जो पिछले एक साल में जो मैंने लोगों को देखा है, and I've seen people coming down vertically from a very good position where they were earning, they lost their jobs, they were in debts, credit card debts, they had loans of cars and homes and everything else, and despite the fact they were at a very good stage in their careers, they have taken a nose dip in their life और बहुत ही मुश्किल financial situation में आ गए. People who have really done okay, or people who have been able to sail through or have survived, are the only people who have really thought about investing and saving at a very early age. And you all know Warren Buffett, and you all know people like those who've started these things very, very early in your life. So even if you're from a well-off family, aapki business family, you have a lot of money, but that mindset of frugality in terms of investment, in terms of savings, in terms of planning for the future, वो सिर्फ पैसे की बात मैं नहीं कर रहा, और भी बहुत चीज़ों में काम आती है. So try to do that right now, or at least start planning to do that. If you're not earning anything or whatever it is, I don't know, maybe you get a pocket money, maybe you have some side opportunity, or you start doing some side jobs or something online or whatever it is. But try to make sure that you are able to manage your own finances very well. Don't think कि आज मेरे को कुछ पैसा आ गया तो let me just go and buy the best of iPhone on an installment, or maybe just pay for that, and abhi to bahut zindagi padi hai. I know some people are well off, which is fine, which is good to know, but trust me, after this last 1 year, काफी लोगों का नजरिया अपने बारे में और दुनिया के बारे में बदल गया है, because even one small thing that cannot be seen with the naked eye can really impact the entire world so badly. So let's try to learn from these things, and it'll be very, very important. And another thing which I probably don't have to talk about, but let me kind of point towards it, which you will face which you will see or experience when you move forward in your life is basically ethics. So the ethics of compliance that is gaining a lot of traction now in the corporate world. So आप जब भी आगे जाओगे, try. I'm sure you know what is ethics and compliance. Doing the right thing, right? आजकल जो corruption है, जो ये सब चीजें हैं, और me being leading a company, an American company in India, I know how important it is when you're exposed to the world where you can easily get corrupted. So I have to kind of do an ethics and compliance training every year, where I'm given a very clear directive in terms of what can I do, what I'm supposed to do, and what I'm not supposed to do. So ये सब चीजें आगे आपकी जो हैं ये add up होंगी. So if you can do anything in your current life that will show that you're a person who is compliant, who values rules, who values laws, and your ethics. And of course, you will be studying in this institution, there will be rules. So try, because life or world आज की डेट में इतना ट्रांसपेरेंट है कि हर चीज सामने आती है, and it is seen and it is shown, right? So try to make sure that you build up these stairs of your career, in your life, wherein you give utmost importance to the ethics part, and it'll take you a long way. And I know no matter how much you do, no matter how much you work on yourself, many and I keep talking to a lot of young generation, not essentially only from the institution, but also from the colleges, but also from the schools. मैं कई लोगों के साथ बात करता हूँ, मिलता हूँ. I conduct some workshops. I'll tell you what I'm talking about a little bit more in 2 minutes. But I have seen that many people are going through a stage of anxiety, especially at your age. And वो जो anxiety है, whether it's to do with how the things will shape up your future, your studies, job, or anything, कोई भी apprehension है life में, तो वो जो anxiety आती है उसकी वजह से, that is somewhere which is what is settling in today's generation. And I'm sure many of you might be able to relate to that. And then it leads to a situation where you're not able to get those things, you're not able to meet some of the objectives in your life, and then it leads to some sort of a depressive state. And trust you me, I'm sure you're all very well-read person, you're very well-informed people. You know how depression and anxiety are taking over the society now. Again, I'll go back to this COVID field. This time to बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ, and I have got some friends who are actually psychologists, and no, I learn from them and say, Harvinder, इतना ज़्यादा हमारा, people have, the numbers have really grown into multiples. People have started coming out. उनको पता भी नहीं था कि उनके अंदर ये anxiety है, या उनके अंदर ये कोई depression settle हो रहा है, और ये आस्ता settle होता है. So all I'm trying to say is, be very vigilant, be very alert about how the society, how other things are affecting you as a person, and try not to let it affect you emotionally or personally too much, because sometimes you have to manage yourself. क्योंकि काफी चीजें हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. A lot of things which are out of our control. This situation, या कभी आगे आप कोई situation face करेंगे, these things are not in our control. So try to manage your emotions very well. Try to be a balanced person as much as possible. Don't start giving up very soon. I hope you understand what I mean, because this is so important when I talk to people. लोगों को खुद नहीं पता होता कि वो कहाँ जा रहे हैं, किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं, और वो थॉट प्रोसेस होती है जो छोटी से शुरू होती है, जो आस्ता take people to a direction where it's very difficult, and then it is a lot of therapies, a lot of counseling, and all those things they start. So you should be very mindful of the fact कि हर चीज को personally, emotionally लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Whether it's failure, whether it's anything else, try to manage your emotions very well. Try to manage yourself and try to be in balance. For me personally, I've seen a lot of ups and downs in life, as many people have seen that. I think I'm losing connection. I hope I'm still audible. Can you hear me?
Yes, you are audible. You are audible. Okay,
wonderful. So, Mirko, personally, I have faced a lot of things, and sometimes you are able to manage yourself, sometimes you're not able to manage yourselves. And I was actually kind of looking for a tool कि मैं अपने आप को कैसे manage करूँगा, because end of the day, it is not outside. It is all internal. So हमें अपने system को समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I actually, thankfully, stumbled upon a tool and a meditation called Sahaj Yoga meditation. You can look at it at your own objective. And this is actually what I teach in my free time. I go to institutions. I conduct the I conduct the Sahaj Yoga meditation workshops, and that is only about basically understanding yourself. So it is people talk about the inner power, people talk about the inner energy and connecting to yourself, but वो most of the time क्या होता है, वो बड़ा theoretical रह जाता है. People don't really understand what self is all about. So जो हमारे अंदर एक system है, which is autonomous nervous system, जो कि डॉक्टर्स या मेडिकल साइंस जिसको ऑटोनॉमस नर्वस सिस्टम कहते हैं, बट अगर कोई चीज़ ऑटोनॉमस है या ऑटोमेटिक है तो वो भी तो अपने आप चल रही है. अगर आपके लंग्स फंक्शन कर रहे हैं, अगर आपका हार्ट फंक्शन कर रहा है, your eyes, everything which is there, it is all functioning on its own, and there's a system that is controlling it inside. So वो जो रूट्स होती हैं हमारे अंदर, जब उन रूट्स पे इम्पैक्ट आता है तो वो बाहर मैनिफेस्ट करता है, लेकिन बाहर जब वो मैनिफेस्ट करता है तो वो बहुत टाइम बाद करता है. लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंस हो गया किसी के साथ, वो अंदर उसको एक छोटा सा इमोशन को इम्पैक्ट किया. अब नाउ यू ट्राइंग टू मैनेज दैट इमोशन के नहीं ये सब ठीक है, एंड देन यू गो टू साइकोलॉजिस्ट एंड देन यू ट्राई टू बैलेंस योरसेल्फ और व्हाटएवर इट इज. But what you're really trying to do is you're trying to push that aside. It's like a small litter. It's like a garbage inside your body, आपके माइंड में. उसको आपने एक साइड पे कर दिया क्योंकि आपने उसको इग्नोर कर दिया, तो वो सबड्यू हो गया फॉर सम टाइम कि चलो ठीक है, आई एम ओके, आई हैव बीन थ्रू काउंसलिंग, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, आई कैन कंट्रोल माई सेल्फ. बट एक और इंसिडेंस होता है तो वो डबल फोर्स के साथ सामने आती है वो चीज. तो वो क्या होता है, हम उसको दबा रहे हैं, वी आर सबड्यूइंग इट. बट इफ वी स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन आवर रूट्स, then that energy which is inside us, which is very much visible in the sense that you can really experience it and feel it, वो एनर्जी आपको रूट्स पे काम करना शुरू कर देती है. और जब वो रूट्स ठीक होती हैं तो आपके फिजिकल जो इश्यूज होते हैं वो ठीक होने शुरू हो जाते हैं, लाइक डिप्रेशन, एंग्जाइटी एंड मेनी अदर इश्यूज. जो बीमारियां होती हैं फ्यूचर में आनी होती हैं, आज नहीं है, उन पे भी वो भी आपके अंदर वो चीज़ पॉजिटिव होनी शुरू हो जाती है और वो बीमारियों से भी हम काफ़ी बच जाते हैं. सो आई जस्ट काइंड ऑफ वांटेड टू इंट्रोड्यूस दिस बिकॉज मेरे को इस चीज़ ने बहुत, आई हैव बीन डूइंग दिस मेडिटेशन फॉर I think 15 years now, and I'm conducting these workshops with many corporates, colleges, schools, and it is completely free of cost. So there is no commercial angle to it. तो मुझे लगा कि मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि this is something that you can look at. It's called Sahaj Yoga. You can go to sahajyoga.org.in, and I have not paid a single penny for this ever in my life. So it is completely free of cost. It works in your system. You can feel your energy, and it really helps you. So whenever you get a chance, look at that website, sahajyoga.org.in, and you will get to know a lot of things. So I think I won't take much of more time. I just kind of wanted to use this interaction with you, talk about a few things, and it's very important that you know some of these things which I learned over a period of time, not necessarily when I was at your age, but बाद में भी कई चीज़ें सीखी हैं, कुछ चीज़ें मैंने लोगों से समझी हैं कि लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. So I'm just trying to kind of make the entire small package for you, and just wanted to talk to you about that. Maybe it helps some of you just being mindful of these things, and I'm sure it will go a long way. But I know this generation of your time is much smarter than our generation. You know much better. Your minds are much more evolved. You have a fair amount of idea of what's happening around the world. We were not so smart at that time. We had to really struggle hard. So just a few tips kind of from my side, and I'm sure this will help you when you go out in the corporate world, and even today when you are doing things as a part of this course or your studies in this great institution. So again, I will just like to stop here. My thanks to all of you for your attention, for listening, and the members and the committee for giving me this opportunity to talk to you today. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words of wisdom have surely given us a new outlook at things. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Mridula Buddhiraja to say a few words to our audience.
Good morning, everyone. सबसे पहले तो मैं थैंक्स करना चाहूंगी हरविंदर सिंह जी का. सर, आपने बहुत अच्छा बताया. कई नए पॉइंट्स आपने बच्चों को बताए. एक तो डिजिटल फुटप्रिंट के बारे में, जिसके बारे में शायद हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं पता, वो उसे मैनेज करना भी नहीं जानते. और एक जो बात बहुत अच्छी बोली, जो कि शायद पेरेंट्स भी बताते हैं, एथिक्स एंड कंप्लायंस के बारे में. ये बातें हैं यूजुअली जो कि हम अपने बच्चों को नहीं बता पाते हैं. हम सिर्फ ये बताते हैं मेहनत करो, अचीव करो, प्रोग्रेस करो, सक्सेसफुल हो. बट जो आपने कहा कि लाइफ एंड वर्ल्ड इज वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट, सो वन शुड ऑलवेज टेक केयर ऑफ एथिक्स पार्ट, ये बात बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। मेरे को बच्चों ने कहा कि मैं भी कुछ बच्चों को अपनी तरफ से बताऊं। मुझे लगता है कि आज की आपने जो इस लेक्चर दिया, इसमें आपने सारे पॉइंट्स जो कि हमारे बच्चों को जानने जरूरी है, स्टूडेंट्स को जानने जरूरी है, यूथ को जानने जरूरी है, वो सारे पॉइंट्स आपने कवर किए हैं। कैसे हमें लीडरशिप लीडर बनना चाहिए, छोटा प्रोजेक्ट हो बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट हो, आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, काम करना चाहिए, ये एक्सपीरियंसेस हमारे लाइफ में आगे चल के हमें बहुत काम आते हैं। और एंजाइटी, एक्चुअली ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती जा रही है, एंजाइटी इश्यूज, डिप्रेशन। और मैं देख रही हूँ, घर में भी देख रही हूँ, कई बार बच्चे छोटी छोटी बातों पर बहुत परेशान हो जाते हैं, कैसे मैनेज करना है चीजों को समझ नहीं आता। आपने योगा के बारे में, मेडिटेशन के बारे में कहा, थोड़ा और जानना चाहूंगी, कौन से कहाँ से हम ये वीडियोस देख सकते हैं, कहाँ, क्या हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ ये वीडियोस शेयर कर सकते हैं? और मैं ये भी चाहूंगी कि आप फिर कभी हमारे कॉलेज में आए और ये वाला सहज योग मेडिटेशन वाला प्रोग्राम हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए और टीचर्स के लिए करवाएं, क्योंकि ये प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत बढ़ती जा रही हैं। इसकी मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, हम आपसे फिर पर्सनली बात करेंगे और ये प्रोग्राम फिक्स करना चाहेंगे। मेरा बहुत बहुत दिल से मैं आपको थैंक्स करना चाहती हूँ कि आपने टाइम निकाला और हमारे बच्चों से अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस और अपने थॉट्स शेयर किए। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि सिर्फ बच्चे ही नहीं, मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है और बाकी जो टीचर्स हैं उन्हें भी कुछ ना कुछ नया यहाँ पे मिला होगा। स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स सब ने कुछ ना कुछ आज नया सीखा है। थैंक यू सो मच। And now I welcome all my students, freshers who have joined NSS this year. आपको शायद इस टॉक से ही समझ आ गया होगा कि क्या पर्पस है आपका NSS ज्वाइन करने का। आपने सोसाइटी के लिए काम करना है, और जब आप सोसाइटी के लिए, दूसरों के लिए काम करते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं आप खुद बनते हैं। इंसान अपने आप में कुछ नहीं होता है, वो तभी बनता है जब वो बियॉन्ड अपने कुछ काम करता है, जब वो किसी और के लिए काम करता है। एनएसएस शिवाजी कॉलेज का हमेशा से यही मोटिव रहा है, सोसाइटी के लिए काम करना। हम आसपास के एरियाज में जाते हैं, रघुबीर नगर जो जेजे कॉलोनी है वहां पर हम काम करते हैं, हमारे कॉलेज के पास रैन बसेरा है वहां पर हम जाते हैं, कई डेस्टिट्यूट होम्स है वहां पर हम विजिट करते हैं, हम बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, ये सारे काम हम करते हैं। और इतने सालों का मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये रहा है कि जो बच्चे एनएसएस के साथ जुड़ते हैं वो खुद ये कहते हैं कि जो हम आए थे और जो हम आज बन गए हैं उसमें जमीन आसमान का अंतर है। तो मुझे ये पूरा यकीन है कि जो बच्चे आगे एनएसएस में काम करेंगे वो सिर्फ दूसरों को ही फायदा नहीं पहुंचाएंगे, वो अपने लिए भी बहुत कुछ कर लेंगे। आई वंस अगेन वेलकम you all to NSS unit Shivaji College. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Meenakshi ma'am to have a few words with our audience.
I would like to thank Mr. Harvinder Singh for sharing his life experiences with our students, for orienting our students towards doing social service, how to engage in social services, and how to project oneself in public domain. For instance, he spoke very effectively on how to project, oh, there you are. So it's nice to see you. So how to project oneself on public domains per se, Instagram, Facebook. Today's generation youth are very much mesmerized by these public domains, be it Facebook or Instagram. So it is very nice how you spoke on the importance of how to project the self, because it is very important to fashion oneself. And, the sort of destabilizing the relevance of CV per se, it has become very conventional and cliche. So it is very important to fashion the self in order to contemporary needs, requirements. So that was very good and very nice talk on that. Also, I really appreciate how you spoke on the importance and relevance of failure, how to take these failures in one stride, to achieve major goals in life. You do not have to, bog down with all these failures. So that was also very nice. Also, the importance of ethics. I really appreciate how you just try to insinuate the importance of ethics in our youth. That is really nice, sir. Also, but I really like the most at how you spoke on the idea of how to cope with depression and anxiety. I mean, we all are at the receiving end by what has happened for the past 1 year in the wake of, pandemic, corona, and whatever is happening. And, we all are at the receiving end, regardless of our age or our institutions we are engaged in. So it is very important to understand the role of yoga, meditation, how to sustain that positivity in our life. So that was a very, very enlightening talk, sir. And I really like to take this opportunity to thank you, Mr. Harvinder Singh from NSS Shivaji College, to come here to spare some time and, spoke eloquently on all these topics, which were very important for our youth. I also like to take this opportunity to thank Dr. Ruchira Dhingra, the program officer, NSS Shivaji College, for organizing this orientation program for all these new admissions who has recently joined Shivaji College. I also like to appreciate all the efforts put in by our young colleagues, I mean, all the members of NSS team now, and how they are all trying to, pitch in, trying to coordinate, organize. I really appreciate all of your efforts. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I would like to call Nisha Godra, President NSS Shivaji College, to share her experiences and insights with us. Over to you, Nisha.
Hello, everyone. I'm Nisha, the President of NSS Shivaji College. NSS Shivaji College works throughout the year for the welfare of society and the environment. Various events are organized with the active participation of NSS volunteers and teachers. It not only focuses on these issues, but also gives you, be it arts, singing, drama, etc. Any type of talent is welcomed here. The stimuli, not me, but you, not only magnetized me, but the whole family of NSS to serve the people. It is a dynamic society which helps you develop leadership qualities, creativity, and carves out a student's personality. The volunteers gain confidence. They get to know how to make, like public speaking, raising funds, educating others, etc. Even if they fail in any task, they get to learn from their failures. It improves their level of understanding. They can understand people better and their problem better. Apart from personal development, the society certificate plays an important role in your career too. You can get some weightage during admissions and interviews in higher studies and other benefits as decided by the respective institutions. I was totally a different person before joining NSS, and now I've only changed for good. NSS has brought out the best of me and will also do the same for those who truly get the meaning and motive behind it. Helping others and seeing them smile makes every effort worth putting it. For this feeling, you don't need an external push. Your inner satisfaction is enough to encourage you. I feel lucky to be a part of it. Continuing the legacy, I, along with my team, will try to do every possible bit to bring the NSS Shivaji College to heights higher than the sky this year. Now, I would like you to meet my fellow members and understand NSS and the functioning of its team better. Over to you, Nilesh.
मैं नीलेश, एनएसएस का वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, इस सभा में उपस्थित अतिथि एवं सभी शिक्षकों को नमन करता हूं एवं नवागंतुक छात्रों का हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करता हूं। जहां तक मुझे लगता है कि किसी भी राष्ट्र की युवा शक्ति के विकास के लिए एनएसएस एक बहुत ही उपयुक्त स्थान है और विद्यार्थी जीवन में ही समाज उपयोगी कार्यों से जुड़े रहने से राष्ट्र सेवा के प्रति लगाव भी बढ़ता जाता है। और स्वयं मैंने ही एनएसएस में आने के बाद बहुत सारे साक्षरता संबंधी कार्य, पर्यावरण सुरक्षा, स्वास्थ्य एवं सफाई में बहुत सारे कार्यों में अपने आप को कार्यरत रखा है। तो मैं आप सभी नवागंतुक छात्रों से अनुरोध करता हूं कि आप भी आएं और हम इस एनएसएस से कुछ ना कुछ जरूर सीखें। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, myself Gauri, the General Secretary of NSS. As it is said, to live is to be useful, to have is to give, and to grow is to lift others. By associating yourself with NSS, you will be able to make some betterment in the lives of others, as well as inculcate knowledge, compassion, and sensitivity in your own lives. I can assure you that here you will get some imperishable experiences and associations. I really look forward for a beautiful journey with you all. So join us and be the leader of future change. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Twinkle Sadana, the Joint Secretary of NSS Shivaji College. As Mridula ma'am explained that NSS brings a positive change in us. It played a very important role in my life and has made me confident. If you join NSS, you will work on a large number of issues, thereby contributing to some causes that require our attention and efforts and helping a large number of people. It won't just increase your confidence but also help in personality development. I welcome you all to this change-bringing family.
A very warm welcome to everyone. I am Muskan Dimri, the co-editorial head of NSS Shivaji College. The editorial team works as the backbone for NSS, as it provides the content for posters, captions, social media posts, videos, etc. If you're someone who likes to express themselves and play with their words, we are awaiting your presence eagerly. Hope to have you as a part of NSS soon.
Hello, everybody. This is Bharti Agarwal, the co-head of the editorial team of NSS. My work basically includes giving the right words to others' expressions. So if you like to play around with words, this team will give you ample of opportunities to do that. If you want to learn or hone your skill, this is the place for you. Because trust me when I say there's nothing better than writing for a good cause that leads to social upliftment. I welcome you all.
Hello, everyone. My name is Juhi Pandey, the PR head of the NSS Shivaji College. The work of the PR team is really simple. The PR team, under the guidance of our dedicated teachers, search potent speakers and panelists as per the need of the society and the webinars that we organize. So if you are someone who likes to build contacts and connection, this is the team for you. Hoping to see you guys join us soon. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Priya Beniwal, head of NSS Help Club. We aim at helping specially able students with their assignments and project of internal assessment. Several students have been benefited through this team as we collectively get the work done without putting the pressure on any particular individual. If you wanted to help those in need and don't know how to do it, this is a good stepping stone for you.
Hello everyone, I'm Janvi Gupta, the social media head of NSS. I have the responsibility of communicating all our work and ideologies on the social media platforms so that people can see, support, help, and get inspired by us. If you are someone who likes handling social media accounts for better reach, communication, and connections, then this team welcomes you with open arms. Join NSS to not just contribute back to the society at an individual level, but also inspire others to do it. Thank you.
Hi, this is Avni, co-head of Street Plating Yatharth. While our action speaks more than our words, our expressions have no less of a role to play. This team brings expressions, opinions, and solutions to the everyday social issues that we face. Even when you cannot do anything else, we can spread awareness against the wrongs of the society. If you have a knack for theater or always wanted to try it out, this is a team for you. Hope to see you soon become part of it. Thank you.
Hello, I am Krishna, the head of Yatharth, play team of NSS Shivaji College. As the word Yatharth means, hum sab. We all try to bring a change in our society by our plays. We have done a lot of plays from mental health to social justice against women, both online and offline. You are all welcome to be part of Yatharth and bring change in society by your own actions and expressions. I hope to see you.
Hello everyone. I am Bharat Sharma, the discipline head of NSS Shivaji College. I am accountable for maintaining the decorum of events, whether offline or online. Being a part of this society will teach you how work and play can go very well together. For us, the technicalities of each event is as important as what attendee takes back with them. Join this society to get the taste of growing selflessly alongside everyone else who can help in some way or the other. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I am Ritik and I am co-discipline head of NSS Shivaji College. My responsibility mainly concerned maintaining the required records for the society and its member. Being a part of this society teaches you to be accountable not just for yourself and your actions, but also the duty that come along while being a part of the society at large. Join us if you too wish to grow your personality inside out while contributing to the society that builds us.
Hi, I'm Sejal, the executive member of NSS. I basically work with every team whenever any time possible. NSS teaches you to be versatile. One day you could be organizing a webinar on mental health, and the other day you could be physically going on a donation drive. So the core purpose remains the same, which is contribution to the society. And if you want to be versatile and help the society, so yeah, NSS is the right place for you. Join us. Thank you.
Greetings to all. This is Ritik Bandyopadhyay, an executive member of NSS Shivaji College. As a part of the society, I got the opportunity to make a social impact by being associated to donation campaigns and a number of seminars and webinars that have been organized to focus social development. You should definitely join NSS if you too wish to be a part of such amazing work and do your part in social upliftment. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Shiva, the designing head of NSS. I'm sure there are some of you whom designing posters, making videos, and showing your creativity through doodling of interest. So for such people who are genuinely looking to learn and grow in the particular field, along with servicing the society, I, on the behalf of the NSS designing team, would love to invite all designers, creative young minds to become a member of NSS technical team. We would welcome to on your word heartily. Thank you.
We as a team provide the aesthetics to the society. How others visually see our society and its work is our job to determine. If you have a knack for artistic work, this is the team for you in the society. Hoping to have you on a board with us soon.